Hi, I'm here with Julie in Chesterfield and Ruth, her puppy, and we just installed her front entryway in a stamped pattern. Julie, what did you think of the work we did for you?
We are so happy with it. We love the look of it. It just classes up the place a whole lot. The guys who came out and did the work were so professional, and they spent a lot of time working with us to get the colors right and to get the look right, and we're just thrilled.
Oh, great! And then our most important question, would you recommend us to friends and family?
I totally would.
Awesome! Thank you, Julie. We appreciate you having us do the work for you. I'm going to go ahead and pan and show our viewers your entryway. Thanks, Ruth.